Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is falling.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a decorate with me. I had so much fun decorating for Christmas since it's literally the best holiday ever. So this video is from today and we finally decided to go with a fake tree. So this morning, which today is Sunday, we went over to a Lowe's that's about 15 minutes away from the house, and we went there and most of the trees that I liked were sold out. So we ended up going to another Lowe's and we found this little guy, and I freaking love how it turned out. It's literally like the perfect tree. The only thing about this tree is that it's pre-lit, and I'm not the biggest fan of those because once one light goes out, you just have to replace it. And I've also heard that if one light goes out, usually all of them go out, and then you have to find which one was the one that went out first, and then you have to replace that one. And I just feel like that's such a hassle. So that's why I'm not like the biggest fan on that part. Other than that, I am literally obsessed. It has the perfect height and fluffiness to it because I definitely wanted something that was puffy and not skinny. So this just like was the perfect one. And since this tree was pre-lit, I didn't bother putting on more lights. So the ones from last year, I just left in the bins, and we're gonna put that in the attic because I feel like it had enough lights. And even right now, it's nighttime already. So, well, it's 5:43, but it's really dark outside. So even though it's dark outside, like you can literally see the tree from outside. So I'm not too worried about adding more lights on there.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
For Christmas, I like keeping it very traditional with the reds and the whites, so that's mostly what you'll see around the house. And oh my god, you're gonna also see throughout the video how much I freaking struggled with the decor because I was just playing around with the pieces and seeing where I wanted things to go. And at the end, I didn't realize I had so much decor from last year and the ones I got from this year because I didn't end up using it all since there was no place to put them in because we don't have a lot of furniture. And that was my thing last year. I didn't want to buy too much decor because I knew we didn't have a lot of furniture. And then guess what? This year I ended up with so much decor and I just don't know where to put them. So I'm not gonna place them, or I might see where I want to put things at. But so far I do like how it turned out, and I don't know if I want to really change anything, so we'll see. My favorite room definitely has to be the living room because it really screams Christmas to me with all the red popping out, and I also love how the TV stand turned out. I mentioned in my Christmas haul how I wanted mostly reds up there since the TV stand is already white, and I really wanted red to be the pop of color, and I think it turned out pretty good. You can see right now I'm like struggling. I didn't know where I wanted things to go. Eventually I ended up putting one of those in the dining room, and the other one, like, I don't know where I'm gonna put, so it's kind of just like chilling in the dining room right now because, like I said, I don't know where to put some of these things, and I might mess around with it, but I don't know yet.
I know Santa is coming. Oh.
And also, as I was decorating, I was taking down the decor for the fall time. I didn't want to like take down the decor and then start decorating for Christmas because I knew that I was on a time limit because we did everything today. And then I knew I wanted to have this video up today. So it was just going to be so much for me to like undo and then start decorating. So I just kind of went with the flow. I should have probably undecorated before decorating, but I just went along with what I was decorating and just like taking the pieces down. But yeah. So I couldn't find any tape for the garland, and the only one I could find was the blue painter's tape. So you can see right there on the steps, I have the tape, and all around the garland you can see like the blue tape popping out. But I'm thinking about laying the garland a little bit different, so kind of like U's, like wide U's, if that makes any sense. So I have to play around with that part and see what I like. And also, since I had cleaned last week, I didn't have to do much cleaning this week, and I knew that I wanted to do the cleaning beforehand because I didn't want it to get in the way or anything like that. So the most cleaning I did was just wipe down any surfaces before I put down any of the decor pieces. The dining room and the kitchen, I kept it very, very simple because most of the decor that I didn't know where to put were bigger pieces and I didn't have any smaller ones, so that's why it looks very bare. And that's literally the only thing I did on there. I just added a running table or a table runner, sorry. And for the kitchen, I added some stuff on that little window and I also changed out the baskets. And I also added 2 countdown calendars for Christmas. So that's pretty much all I did. I kept it very simple. So here I'm just switching out the baskets and putting everything inside the new one. We tend to keep trash in there like receipts, so I made sure to get rid of anything that wasn't important to avoid any messes inside the new basket.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Really like how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get some Christmas decor inspiration in case you guys haven't decorated for Christmas yet. I will have my Christmas haul linked down below in case you guys want to know where some of these pieces are from. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, I'll see you all next Sunday. Bye guys.
Higher, 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 higher.